As a project manager, you have recently overseen the implementation of a new product within the finance department. After providing comprehensive training to the staff who will be using this system, what should be your next step to ensure the product is utilized effectively? So we can sense here we are focusing on supporting organizational change. We need to also focus on making the stakeholders and users adequately trained so that they can use this product. And we need to also apply change management practices because we are enabling the change for the achievement of outcome. So that something is coming clearly. To me, it is also getting mapped to a change management practice called ADKAR, which is focusing on awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, and reinforcement. And we can sense from this question that step three, knowledge has been taken care. So you have just executed the step three. Now, what you should do next as a project manager seems to be the question. Let's see the option. Option A, work with the management to ensure people receive incentives for using the system. So if I map it with ADKAR model, if people get incentive, it can influence their desire to support the change. So step two, yeah, usually comes before educating them, usually. And providing incentive can also help them in consistently using it later on also. So it can also map to reinforcement. So step two and step five is influenced by the option A. Let's see if we can get more close near to step 4 as an option, else we need to choose something which is available. Option B, send regular emails containing tips and tricks to remind users for the of the training content. Good reinforcement idea, keeping a fresh knowledge in the people's mind, ensuring that they get awareness about some of the tips and tricks. Uh, Candidate option, because it is focusing on reinforcement, again step 5. I'm looking if I can get something around step 4. Option C, remind users of the benefits the new system brings to the organization. Step 1, yeah, it's all about I need to create awareness about the need for the change and the benefit the system will bring. Now, when I have taken the knowledge step, I can assume this has been taken care. If it is not taken care, there is no harm in talking about benefits now. But from an exam or understanding perspective, it's pretty late. Yeah, you should be talking about benefits from the day one itself. So let's see. Yeah, because we have better option than this at least. And A and B is definitely better than C because it is coming as a very fast step. Yeah, B is also talking about at least step 5. A is talking about step 2 and step 5 together, so they are more close than we pick up the option C. Let's go into option D, work closely with users and establish a help desk and support system for daily assistance. Perfect. It clearly maps to the step 4 because I need to create ability. After training people, we need to ensure they have an ability to apply the knowledge on their day-to-day job so that they can make best use of this product. So I need to first create opportunity for my trained people to use the product, but that option is missing. So after training, I need to give them some kind of demo instance or some opportunities where they can play with it. Yeah, if that option is there, I will go with it. And after, while they are playing with it, they will face some difficulty. They are developing the skills, and I should provide some mentor or maybe shadowing, yeah, or maybe a help desk or some one-on-one assistance case by case so that they can resolve their issues and get ready for using this product. So from knowledge, I need to create ability, and that's why the option D looks great here. This question can also be mapped to various tasks in our PMP exam content outline. It can map to support organizational changes, which focuses on we need to know what is organization, how ready they are, and we need to influence the organization to get ready for the change. So that's something we are doing. It is also mapped to ensure team member and stakeholders are adequately trained. And in that particular task, we also have a subtask talks about measuring training outcome. Yeah, so it's like, in a way, after training people, I need to ensure the training is really impacting their day-to-day work. But in a way, we need to determine the training and take care of that. And overall, we focus on the process domain task, talking about manage project changes and which clearly tells that we need to follow change management practices. Usually, the change management practice, which is also covered in your PMI's authorized content, focusing on ADKAR model, it's also a part of PMBOK 7. So we can say, yes, we need to follow those 5 steps by default in order to bring a change to support the outcome. With all this, option D makes perfect sense for this particular question.